Reimagining municipal waste as a valuable resource, York Acoustical Products remove 80 post-consumer plastic water bottles from landfills to create just 1 yard of noise-reducing wall coverings. Baled, separated, and ground into 3/8-inch flakes, the shredded plastic bottles are thoroughly cleaned in a double-wash process into clean flake, which is then shipped to textile mills where the shards are stored in silos, housing up to 1 million pounds at a time. There, the clean flake is washed again and placed within an extruder, where they are churned and melted into resin, passing through a screening process on spinnerets to create thin threads called filaments. Cooled in punch cabinets, then bonded together, they are cut, baled, and shipped to York to create beautiful acoustical wall products for professional and residential spaces. York Acoustical takes environmental stewardship seriously, resourcing, recycling, and reusing to build responsible products that respect the environment.